Hello, folks. My name is Jaimin Bhuktani, and I am CEO at Uplers. Today, I'm going to brief you a little bit about Uplers and our platform Talent Connect. So, first, let's start with Uplers. Uplers is a global marketing and technology company with a team size of more than 650 members, including web developers, designers, digital marketing professionals, and marketing automation experts. So with our offices in India, US, Australia, and Netherlands, we serve more than 7,000 clients globally, including brands like Disney, NetGeo, 21st Century Fox, Amazon, Facebook, and more. Uplers is a people first company with a great relationship driven culture. Our people are our pillars of success. And I'm proud to say that our team helped us become a certified great place to work organization, and that too with a whooping 82% trust index. Now let's talk about Upler's Talent Connect. Talent Connect is a platform where we connect global remote working opportunities with great Indian talent. We all know that COVID has accelerated adoption of remote working. Right? The remote working, which was tagged as future of work till early 2020, is now a reality. And this remote working adoption has brought amazing opportunities for talent in India. Let me explain you how. So, hiring remotely means hiring people from anywhere without any location or geographical barriers, as far as they can deliver the right outcome, they communicate well, and they fit your team culture. Let me give you an example. Say a company based out of San Francisco is hiring a full stack developer remotely. It means, it simply doesn't matter, where the developer is working from, whether within US or from Eastern Europe or India, as far as the company's expectations are met. So today, India is already one of the most popular hub for offshore hiring. And at Talent Connect, we are on a mission to connect this massive surge in remote hiring with great Indian talent. So our goal is to open up many exciting opportunities for talent in India where they join the global companies directly in remote environment. So at Talent Connect, our demand team works religiously to find companies who are looking to hire remote talent, and we convince them to consider hiring from India. Our motto here is to make their entire process of remote hiring absolutely hassle free. So we facilitate those companies in terms of getting their requirements clear, setting their expectations right, helping them find the right talent, facilitating interviews, and all the services and supports even they need after hiring remote talent in India, including HR, administrative, and legal aspects. On the other side, we curate great talent from India and we make sure that we have talent ready for them who can deliver as per their expectations, who can communicate effectively, and who can become a great team player for those companies. That's where to apply at Upler's Talent Connect, you need to go through certain functional and technical assessments to prove your capabilities and calibers. And when you pass through all those assessments, we make sure that you are ready to get hired by global companies. So once you are registered on Talent Connect, you get assigned a dedicated talent success coach. And your success coach, starts with preparing your resume through professional resume writers to make sure that your skills are presented in the most professional way. Your coach helps you with, remote working tips and interview tips to make sure that you are ready to get hired when an opportunity comes. And even when you are hired by a global company, your success coach makes sure that all your needs, including your career progression and learning and development, are covered. So once you are listed on Talent Connect, we bring and match make the right opportunity for you as per your skill set and preferences. So it's important for us to matchmake an opportunity for you where your aspirations are met and you can flourish your career by leveraging your strengths. And once this magical matchmaking happens, you start working for a global company and start earning global pay. So there are many advantages of joining Upplus Talent Connect. First and foremost, higher earnings. So yes, at Talent Connect you start earning in dollars, and if you convert that into Indian rupees, it is at least 1.5 to 2 times your local market pay. Second, long-term engagement. So at Talent Connect, we only seek for long-term opportunities. So once you are deployed for a client and start working for a global company, that engagement generally goes on for months and years. So we only attract those clients who are looking for a permanent hiring rather than short-term project work or freelancing. Third advantage, exposure to global teams. So you get to work with global companies as part of your team, and you get to work on exciting projects to, satisfy your technical aspirations. And fourth, certainly flexibility of remote working. So all the opportunities we attract on Talent Connect are remote. So you always enjoy the flexibility of working from anywhere. If you choose to work from your home or beautiful beaches of Goa or those mountains of Himalayas, the choice is yours. So champs, that's about Applause Talent Connect, where we are on a mission to connect global remote opportunities with great Indian talent like you. So are you ready to be part of this global remote working revolution? Are you ready to work for a global company as part of their team members? Are you ready to uplift your career and earnings to the next level? If yes, join Applus Talent Connect today, and we would love to welcome you on the platform. Till then, stay safe, stay awesome. See you.